Hiya, welcome to today's episode of Is It Maths or Is It Magic? My name is Ben and I work as a coordinator and coach at the Maths Centre for Excellence at City College, Plymouth. Nice, quick, easy trick for you to do today. If you think of a number between 20 and 100, any number between 20 and 100. Done that? Now you need to add the digits together. So if you've picked 20, your new number is going to be 2. If you've picked 100, your new number is going to be 1. If you've picked 33, your new number is going to be 6. So whatever number you've picked, add the digits together. Done that? So once you've done that, take your new number away from your old number. So if you had 20 to start with, take 2 away from 20. If you started with 100, take away 1 from 100. Done that? Good. Now what I need you to do is add your new digits together. So if you start off with 20, you're going to have 18. So add those digits together. If you started with 100, you're going to have 99. Add 9 and 9 together and then add those digits together as well. And everybody should end up with the number 9. Let us know if it works for you. Let us know how you think that one works. And we'll see you at the next one. Have a good rest of the week. Cheers!